We had an old conservatory here originally that was leaking. We wanted to modernise the house and do something that's within keeping with the house as well. I was researching online and they came up as one of the most highly kind of rated conservatory companies out there. I had an idea of what I wanted, so I drew out what I wanted and worked alongside them. And then yeah, it was quite an easy kind of project to deal with them with. We wanted the like this type of like Edwardian style roof to give us a bit more open ceiling space in here. And then it was just to find the details of how we were going to tie it in with the old traditional brick on the house.
I think we had a couple of examples, didn't we, to choose from that we could see on paper. It was quite specific what we were after, and they managed to accommodate and cover all of that.
They had multiple kind of examples of conservatories they had done. They explained the base system, which is a different type of base system that we used on this one. So the conserva base appealed because we didn't have to dig out traditional footings, which would have added to costs, added to time and labour. Yeah, it's lovely, especially in the summertime. We can open the doors up and you had kids around and everything, they're out playing. It kind of brings the outside inside for us.
We chose colours that mingled with the outside, so we chose greens. It's a nice place to sit in the summer, but equally as nice actually when the weather's not so nice. You feel quite cosy when you can hear the raindrops, and it's given us a lot more space. So when we had guests around, it's very nice.
So it's enhanced our life basically by giving us extra space and peace, I suppose.
They were efficient, they stuck to the dates that they had given us, and the customer care's been really good.
Quality of the product, for the communication and for the price. On all 3 points I'd recommend Conservatory.